So thanks for having a look at this. The whole point is to make it easier to find references once you've added them. So the approach is to use the map a little bit for that. First of all, we would have a references menu. Click on that and you will be able to look at all your references by title, author name, date, and so on. This is all the references that are used in your current document, so most likely you would use the journal for this. It will also work in the document you're writing on. On top of that, there is a way to click on defined concepts, and any of the defined concepts you have which have a citation attached to it will appear here. The other ones that don't have it do not need to clutter this view. Choose one and you get the cited reference dialog, and we need to talk about the language a bit more. I use the term citation and reference because they are not the same, but I'm concerned that other people might think so. Anyway, if you have a document here, you can choose to specify which concept it relates to. I've given choice for 3. That's quite arbitrary, it feels right, but that's up for discussion. And then when you look at the concept, whether from wherever, map or wherever, automatically at the bottom, any cited reference that has that concept associated will be listed automatically. And you'll notice on top of the screen it doesn't say tag colon. It says this is a concept. This, they're all default concept. The point of that is I don't want to get too confusing with defined concepts and tags and all kinds of things. There are some potential issues, but let's look at some potential interactions within this. If you double click on the dialog, it will open on the article, open the citation dialog, and in the map now, currently, if you double click on something, it does a Command F equivalent to show all the occurrences, but now it would open the defined concepts dialog because that's basically what it's used for, but there will be a button to show the defined concept, all the occurrences to the bottom here. So if I go back, the new thing is, I'm going to cite something, can't remember what it was, remember the title, boom, find it here. It's got something to do with this or that concept, and again it can be 3 of them. So you go through, scroll through, find it, you get this dialog, you can now choose to copy the citation depending on how it is. I also would like to be able to click on the author names here to see a list of what else they've written. But the big deal is to help the citations connect to the references, as in the references connect to the defined concept. Sorry, I'm in a coffee shop. Anyway, thank you for having a look at this.